Okay, so this week we are going to talk about Figma, which is if you know how to use Adobe Illustrator or other similar software, you will feel really familiar with this because it's almost you can say it's the simple version of the Adobe Illustrator, or it is actually much more similar to Sketch or Adobe XD, which is used for UI and UX design. But you can still use it as an online drawing platform. It also works. But the main function of this is to create an online design, and you can connect a lot of page together and make it into a demo page. Like this, I can show you first what I mean. Like you can connect some page together, and when in demo mode, you can use it like a slider. Like when you have a lot of page, then you can use it like as a slider, like this. Yeah, just a quick demo. Okay, so before we start, no, I think I will start from the toolbox first, because the user interface is pretty simple. As you can see, up on the top is the tool. You have a lot of tools here, and on the left side is the layers and the sets. Sets means that you can create some components here, and yeah, it's the layers here. And on the right side is you will have a lot of options with the object. When you click an object, you will have a lot of options on the right side. So I think in the handout I already list all the function of the user interface on Figma, and I'll start from the left side. The first one is the main menu, which means all the menus is here. Like you can save it here, export it there, or a lot of options and menus here. And but so if you need to change, like you need to find some actions, or yeah, if you need some actions, you can find it here. And yeah, actually it has a quick actions function that if you want to like if I want to find something if I want to find these multiplayer cursors, I can click quick actions and search multiplayer. Then you will see the actions here will shows in your search box. It's a quick way to find some options or some actions. And okay, let's skip it. And the next one is actually the arrow tool. You can use, if you are in this tool, then you can drag and select things, or click something, then you can move it, or you can scale it. Yeah, you can try it, just try it. And here's also a scale tool here, but actually I'm not really sure why we need this, because it's actually the same as the move function. When you are using the move function, and then when you are scaling, then you can press shift, then it will work totally same as the scale tool. So actually we don't need the scale tool. You can just use the move tool, and then click something, and you can scale it. Yeah, And then the next one is the frame tool. The frame tool is something like before you draw something, you have to place a paper first. So you click the frame tool. Then on the right side, you will have a lot of different size. And the common one is like we usually will use the desktop, or we can also place a paper. Like now I already placed 3 A4 paper. So we can click one again, then it will place another A4 paper here. So it's like if you want, actually I can still draw things. I can still draw things without placing a frame, but it will make it place a frame first, then draw things on the frame will let us more clear, and you can like what I did. I can connect a lot of connect page together, then become into a slider work. Okay, so okay, yeah. So in the frame tools, below of the frame tool is the slice tool. The slice tool is actually means the frame tool that you will directly create a frame like a paper on the canvas. But if you are just like you just want to export part of the paper, then you can use a slice. Like I can use slice and draw a slice here. Then it will have an outline here. You'll see it will have a slice outline here, and then you can export this slice only. It is the work the function of the slice, but a lot of UI designer love to use slice as the as the main part of the paper, because sometimes like if I'm doing a design of a web page, and actually a web page maybe it will have a very long scroll, but the device only display only this small part. Then I can place a slice here to make people know that only this area is visible when we are going into this page. So it's just a like a remark for designing. And okay, then the next one is it's the shape tools. Shape tools is used for shape tool is which as the name, it will have a lot of different shape here, like rectangle, line, arrow, ellipse, or polygon. A lot of shapes here. So you can just easily create a shape with this tool. And then after you place you will find it that when you place a shape here, the right side, which the design part, will have a lot of functions comes out. Like you can change the background color here, click it, and then you can change the background color here, or you can add some stroke here, like a 10 pixel stroke. You can add some stroke here, or you can add some effects. There are some built-in effects like drop shadow, inner shadow, or blur in the option. Yeah. So the shape tool is this, and the images is also being placed in the shape tool. but actually you can directly drag and drop an image from your computer. Like I can drag and drop an image from the computer, then it also works here. It also works. Okay, so I can, when I scale it, I'll press the shift button, then it will lock the ratio of the image. I think this gesture works same in all the software, that when you are scaling, you just need to press the shift, then everything will be the ratio will be locked. Okay, and the next one is pen tool. Pen tool works the same as the base curve in Adobe Illustrator, and it's, I think if you know how, if you are familiar with it, you will be really easy. I mean, you will use it a lot in, we actually use it a lot in Adobe Illustrator because it makes us easier to draw some curves like this. When you are drawing, you just need to click and drag, then you can create a curve and then connect it together. And you got a yeah, I got a weird shape. And if you want to fill it also in the, after you draw a curve, you can also scale it or something. And then same on the right side, you can add a fill here. Then it will be filled with the color. And also you can remove the stroke like this. Yeah, just something like this. And next to the pen tool is the pencil tool. Pencil tool is just like the name, it's a pencil. It will draw without any computer controls. So but in the online version of Figma, it doesn't support the pen pressure, which means like you will have the drawing pad. If you have the drawing pad, then if your pen has the pressure support, then in some software, actually you can use the pressure as the size of the pen. But in Figma, it doesn't work. So the pen tool is usually it's like just for taking notes or some just for some fast drawing. Yep. And then next to the pen tool and is the text, which means that you can type some text here. And also on the right side, you will see the option of it. You can set the font here, and actually, and the font comes from the, I think it comes from the Google font, which is the biggest library of online font. But you can also use your computer's built-in font. You just need to sometimes if you install the desktop version of the Figma, then you can use your font installed in your computer. And also here, like you can add stroke. It's the same. You can add stroke and you can change the text color, something like this. But the size of the text is different. It used the font size to control the size, but not the scaling. The scaling will control the outbox of the text, which means it will auto break. It will break the line with the size of your scaling, but not the font size. So if you want to change the font size, you have to edit on the right side, which means in the design box in the options here. You can change the font size. Okay. Then the next one on the right side is the hand tool. Hand tool is for you to drag the whole page that you want to move in the canvas, and you can use the hand tool to move it like this. And then next to the hand tool is the comment tool, which let you add some comment here. Like I can add a comment here, a cube cat. Then it will have a comment here that everyone can see this comment. Yeah. Okay. That's it. This is the user interface of the toolbox. And on the left side, you will see layers and assets here. And layers, I think I don't need to explain too much of the layer. It's just like when if you place a paper, that everything drawn on this paper will everything drawn on this paper will be placed in the same layer, and you can click the eye here to it's this one. You can click the eye to hide it. Just hide it but not delete it, or you can lock it. That will be locked, then no one can edit it. And if you need, oh, here's a lot of things. If you need to put something into a group, you can select them together, then right click, it will be a group. And the shortcut is Control and G. On Mac, maybe it's Command plus G. So when you group it, you'll see everything you select will become a group. Then so these things will be placed into the next layer in this group. And this can be nested. Like you can also group this group with another thing. Then you will have the nesting group. Okay, I'll delete this. So the layer is this, and then on the assets. I think assets is the thing that maybe if you are not an UI designer, you'll be not familiar with an assets, or we usually say it's components. Because when we are doing a UI design, usually we will want to reuse one design for several times, because for the front end designer, things should be reused times and times. For the coder, that will make the whole page, for the whole design and the whole workflow more stable and more fast. So you can, when you already place something together already, like okay, I will use this. I will do this. You can select them, and then on the top there will be a button named Create Component. Then you will create a component here. It will become a component, which means that you can reuse it like copy, but it will be very fast to reuse it. Like I can drag and drop it here, then I can reuse it very fast. And if I edit the origin design of this component, like if I change the size of it, oh, sorry, no, it won't. Yes. You'll see if I change the original design of this component. Sorry, Dara, is this your drawing? I smolder your eyes.
It's okay, no worry.
And you will see all the other copy of the component will be added in the same time. So it will be really useful when you need to duplicate something in multiple times. Yeah, we like this cat. It's already a group. Yeah, it's already a group. So we can press it, then press create component. Then it will become a component, and I can reuse this cat for several times. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's it. This is the layer and the components, the assets will work. And on the right side, I think I already talked a lot with the design part, which means you can change things, a lot of options, and you can change a lot of options. You will find a lot of options here. And next to the design is the prototype, which is let you set the work, the flow between these pages. Like now we have 3 pages. If I want to connect these 2 pages, oh, I already connect these 2 pages together. And drag and drop it. When you connect the some page together, then you can set it's used like when you are making a slider and you want to add some transition between the slides. It works like that. So you can change the some change some interactions and some flow point here. Yeah, but it's mostly used for the flow chart, to make your demo design into a flow chart. And next to the prototype is the inspect, which means it will display the properties, and it will also show codes here. This code is CSS codes, which is used for, and also iOS and Android code. It is used for the coders to fastly change the design on Figma into coding. But yeah, it just work for that. And you will also see the size or other things here in the copy, and you can copy it. Okay, that's it. And then also there's some functions on the top side when you click an object. Like when I click this text object, you will have some options up here. The first one is edit. You can edit it if it's an editable object, like like a shape. When you click edit object, then you can edit all the edited point independently. Like I can drag only this point here, and or I can add a point here. It's for you to edit a shape or edit the content. Like if I press the this is a text object, then I press edit object, then will let me edit the text. And next to the edit object is the create component, which I already show you. and then next to it is use as mask. What is mask? Mask means it will make things that only show it will overlay on the, you can place it over the other object and then make it into mask like this. Let me show you. Like I have this big treasure box, and let me draw a star here. And then I'll change this star. First, I will group these two things together. So it becomes these two, the star and the treasure box becomes a group. Then I'll change the star into a mask. Oh, I have to place it below. And you'll see the the star become a mask, and the treasure box is only display the outline, the shape of the star. It is the mask, the usage of the mask. And then I think we yeah, I think this is all the basic usage. I already explained all the basic usage of the Figma. And then the other thing I have to mention is the controls part. Maybe someone will be if you use a lot of computer designing software, then maybe you already know this. But if you don't know how to like this, if you don't know how to zoom in, like zoom in and zoom out, in the bottom part of the handouts, the HackMD, I have typed some common use of the controls. Like the zooming is, if you want to zoom in, you just need to press the control button, or on Mac maybe it's command button, then scroll your mouse, it will zoom. Or if you are using touchpad, you can just use the gesture to control the zooming. And I explain you about the hand tools upon the toolbox, and actually this tool works the same as when you pressing space. When you are pressing space, your your tool will be changed into the hand tool. So when you are pressing space, then you can also drag the canvas. And then next is if you want to select multiple things, one is that you can just drag and select them together, and the other way is that you can press Shift. You just need to press Shift and then click things. Then you can select them. Then press Control G. Then you can group them like this, and then Control Shift G, you can ungroup. And then if you want to duplicate something, one is that I already explained is using assets. Using assets is I mean components is a fast way that you can reuse something. And then if you just want to duplicate something, you can press Alt on your keyboard, and then drag the target that you want to duplicate. Like if I want to duplicate this text, I just need to press Alt, then drag, then it will duplicate it like this. And also you can use Alt and Shift together, then you can duplicate it with the locked position. Okay, I think it's it's the basic usage of the Figma. Anyone have any any question? No. Good. Okay. Okay, let's go into today's today's try it part. I considered a lot, and I think we will still today we will still have a simple try today. Is that I want everyone to draw, try to use Figma to draw an icon for yourself. And if you don't know what you want to draw, you can also choose an icon that you are already known, and then try to draw it out. So I think we can go to on the left side, on the layers block. You can add a new page for yourself here. Here's a plus button here. You can the free page limit. Okay. So let's just go into the same page. Maybe I will delete the. Okay, maybe we use the same page, and then we draw different frames. Let's use the try it page, and then add a frame first for yourself. You can add a A4 paper for yourself first, and then try to draw yourself an icon, and just make it simple. Don't be don't be too difficult. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay. The frame tool is on the top side of the toolbox, and click the frame tool. Then you can directly drag and drop a frame here, or you can press the right side. There will be a lot of template. You can place a A4 paper or something, and then you can click the name of the frame. Then you can rename the frame. If you have any problem, just let me know. Like if you want to use some tools or some function, but you don't know where is it. Like if you want to elegant something, you can just select them, and then on the design box, it will have the elegant tool.
How do I add a new page again under the try it page?
You mean a frame? On the toolbox, next to the arrow. It's the third one on the toolbox.
Okay.
And you can click the template on the right side directly. It will be faster. Yeah.
John, I think I cannot.
Yeah.
I cannot do anything, but I don't know why. It's like.
Have you already logged in?
Yes, I think so. But I was able to do it on the tutorial page. Wait. 还是因为太慢了，是因为网络吗？可是有点奇怪，我看一下哦。
你说你现在在 tutorial page 是可以画东西？
现在也不行，但是刚刚之前可以。
还是该不会是免费吧？会啊。你是那个 in between playground 吗？
不是，我是 cha。
奇怪，我没有看到你。
真的吗？
对啊。
但我是看得到我自己的。但他现在就 CLC 那个。
那个是你。
Sorry。
可是我还是看不到你，就是。
Link，
你现在是
observing，
你现在是
那个
CL。我知道，但是你现在是
断线吗？
他写说你是 observing 是
，Yeah，why？
是观察中。
没有，那个是因为你按着他的账号，所以你现在在观察他。
是这样。
你现在在看他的动作，对，你把它拿掉就没事。
对不起。那你要不要重新点一次？我不知道为什么，我完全不知道为什么。
OK， 我来试试看。
How to make fill in the color?
Fill in?
Yeah.
After you draw a shape, then on the right side, in the design box. On the right side, there will be a fill. You see it?
Yeah.
And then just press the plus in the fill.
Okay.
Yeah, then you can edit the fill.
And is there any tools for doing brush?
No, in Figma it only has the pencil tool, but the pencil tool is it's not that really work like a brush. It's just pencil. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. I'm finished. Sherry, what are you doing? What
I'm
is this?
just trying to give myself a new style. You can help me.
I finished mine. Sherry, what you doing with your pictures?
Making. Yeah. It looks so ugly.
Maybe a leg. Okay.
Kathy is so cute.
Looks so bad.
Because it's food.
Oh, Dara. Wow. You guys are very expert on drawing, yeah? Trying my best. Like this. I don't have any idea. Okay.
Okay, I finished mine.
Oh.
I think you can copy the full page. Yeah, okay. Nice. So this is Dara's work. Sherry, are you finished?
Yeah, I think so.
I'll copy it to another page.
Okay.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Yeah, okay, we are all here. Nice.
Oh, no.
Try their best.
Okay, so Gatari got a tree, but you try to fill the tree, did you?
I was thinking that just filling the tree is too ordinary, so I will try my best.
Okay. You can use the pen tool. When you are using the pen tool, it will become a shape. So like when you draw, use the pen tool to draw it, and then after this you can fill it like this.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this is what why we use pen tool more than pencil, because pencil you if you want to fill a pencil, you have to, like what Sherry did, like this. Really really difficult. Yeah. So if you are using a pen tool, it will be easier.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Thank you.
And Kathy got a is
Noodle?
that noodles, ramen, something like that.
And
It's a ramen. Nice.
my best.
So it's tomatoes on it?
I don't know what that is. My idea can quite translate.
Okay. And Dara's drawing is really cute.
I don't know. It's something I like clear in my mind.
Yeah.
So
And-
maybe like a guy wearing the shirt and skirt, something wearing high heel.
And then Sherry's new style. Maybe next time you see Sherry, she'll be looks like this.
Too much stressful.
Okay. And what is this, Jalan?
It's like the how you say that, the first the first alphabet of my name.
First alphabet.
Chalan Chen and CLC.
Oh,
That makes
CLC. Okay,
sense.
I see it. Okay. Okay, so you used it. Ah, okay. Really nice. Okay, thank you guys. I think today's tutorial is will end here. Figma is really
Okay.
useful actually. It's but mostly it's used for user interface designing because it can fastly create some workflow. Like now, if I want to after we draw all these things, I can connect all them together like this, and even add one more. And then in when we are presenting, if you can you can have different interactions, then it will move into different page. So it's it's mostly used for the workflow or user interface design. You can try it more because the free version already have a lot of function, and it can also install some. Oh, someone changed the background color. Yeah. You can also yeah, so it's collaborative, so everyone will see what it did.
This one,
Yeah.
Sean, it's a free account, or is this one subscribed already?
It's free account. It's free account. So like I just realized that in the free account I can only have 3 page in the same time. Yeah, it just told me that the page limit is here.
And I
Well,
think
it's fine.
there is also a limit of users online at the same time. So if there are
Yeah.
more people, then you have to pay so that people can edit, or people have to just like observe. People can just like come in and observe that, but they cannot edit.
Yes. But what's the limit of the? I mean, what's the amount of the limit of the user?
I'm not sure.
Let's see. Huh.
But I think it's fun that you could like work together at the same time. So like
Yeah,
I think
Fun.
this would be like a fun activity to do online if you do like a collaborative scene.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, you remember I think have you guys ever played the draw something game? It's
I
like
mean, draw and guess.
yeah, draw
Yeah,
game.
you know that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, that's it. So I'll give it back to Sherry. Yes.
Oh, I just have a quick question. Like, if I want, how can I feel like this?
You already draw a shape, right? It's
Yeah,
use the
that's
pen
right.
tool. So you click this object, then on the right side, it will have the fill block here. Or you change the background color again.
Really?
Okay,
No, I
sorry.
didn't.
No, I did.
Oh,
I did.
it's dark. Okay. So yeah, you click the object first, and on the right side it will have the fill block.
But
And then
okay.
press the plus. Yes, yeah. And then you will need to move it to background, I think. So
I see.
Right click and then send to back or send backward. Send to back. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
So cute. Wow.
I forgot to say if you want to export it, but I think you will already find it that the easiest way is to in the menu. In the menu, it will have export function. You can export all the frames into a PDF file, or you can click a frame, or even an object, or even a group, whatever. Like if I want to export Jialan's this frame, this paper, I just need to click this, and then on the right side, in the bottom, there will be a export. Then click export, and then you can choose what's the size you want to export, and what is the format you want to export, and then press export. So now I'm export one times size of a PNG file. So I'll got an image file. Yeah. Okay, that's it.
Nice.
Cool.
Thank you, Sean.
Thank you, Sean.
Really
How
fun.
can I export my picture?
Just click your page. You just need to click on the let me share the screen again. You just need to click your page. You can find it in the layers here. You can find it in the layers here, or you can directly click the page name. The page name is on the left top of the page. Click it, and then export. Click the export. Click the export, and then export. It will download as an image, or you can download as a PDF file, whatever. Yeah.
Okay. I'm trying to export now.
I'll leave this file here. So yeah, or you can actually you can copy it and to your yeah, you can click the page and right click and copy, and then you can actually you'll be able to paste it in another file.
Follow.
Yeah.